I am Dr. Neema Bisht, BDS by degree and a pharma professional. I am founder of CareerInPharma, wherein I provide guidance and training to healthcare professionals and life science graduates on how they can make career into pharmaceutical industry. Till date, we have guided and trained more than 500 students, and many of them are now placed into various companies also under my guidance. Also, I want to tell you that beware of fake people who are operating under the name of Career in Pharma or by my name. So to connect with us, please see the description below for all the links, and also you can see the mail ID provided in the description box. Hello everyone. Once again, I welcome you all to Career in Pharma. So today in this video, I'm going to talk about medical coding part 3. In that, I will be discussing how is the growth, what are the hierarchy inside this industry, and salary also we are going to discuss, and what is the additional skill set required to work inside this industry. Yes, and I hope you have already gone through medical coding part 1 and part 2. Okay. Because those were like basics of medical coding industry, what all codings are required, who all are eligible. And now today in this video, we are going to talk about salary structure. Yes. So with this, going to start this video, and I hope you liked the past videos on medical coding part 1 and part 2. And here we go with part 3. Yes. So first question in this medical coding part 3 series is, what is the skill set required for this job? So basically, if you are a person having, a good familiarity with medical terms, that is like more than enough, because whatever computer skills is required, that is very basic thing. Okay. And moreover, whenever you get the job to join the industry, you get as with experience that you learn. Other than this, the basic skill set which is required is just awareness of the medical terminologies. Okay. Now, which subjects command should be good for medical coding? Definitely, if you have a good command on physiology, medical terminologies, definitely in the job you will not face much difficulty, because you are already familiar with the medical terms, your physiology is good, your anatomy is good. So definitely to review anything, to analyze anything for you, it will take less time as compared to people who don't have so much of familiarity with medical terms, and people who don't have knowledge on, physiology and anatomy. Yes. Third question is, what is the hierarchy inside this industry, and how far a person can grow both professionally and financially? So this is the gross figures I'm giving you. Okay. It is not that whatever I'm telling you, that is the exact figure. It can go above also, below also. Okay. Below means below range I'm already discussing with you, but yeah, above it can go more also. Okay. So it is not any hard and fast thing which I'm telling you, it is a gross figures. So first I will tell you hierarchy wise growth. Along with that, what is the salary for that hierarchy? Yeah. So the coders can start with coders, then they become senior coder, then they become team lead, then assistant manager, and then manager, and after that you can become SLT. So now with this, what is SLT? SLT is a senior leadership team. Yes. So coders, and then comes senior coders, then team lead, then you can become assistant manager, then you can become manager, and then you can become SLT, that is senior leadership team member. Yeah. So these are the hierarchy. Rank wise, what promotion you get. Now I will talk about salary. So any coder to start with, if you are a fresher, you have to start with coder, then your salary could range between 15,000 to 20,000. Okay. 15,000 to 20,000. Now again, it may go up to 25 also, depending on company. Again, I'm saying, please don't consider it as any, hard and fast figures and rule. It may go up to 25 also, but yeah, minimum 15 you will get for sure. Second level is senior coders. When you become a senior coder, you may get 25, 30,000 up to 40,000 or 45,000 also you can earn. After that, you can become a team lead. In team lead position, you may get anything between 45,000 to 55,000, and again it may go up to 60 also or 65 also. After that, you become assistant manager. For the assistant manager role, your salary could range between 45, 50k to 60, 65k. Again, not a set rule that just 65 you get. You may go up to 70 also. Yes. After assistant manager, you can become a manager, and in that role also, assistant manager and manager don't vary much. In a manager role, you may get up to 70, 80 also. And after that, senior leadership team, here you may earn anything between 80, 85,000 up to 1,20,000 or 1,30,000 also it may go. Yes. So this is the hierarchy and definitely salary wise growth inside this medical coding industry. Now, salary at a fresher level, which I already discussed about coders. So at a fresher level, you join as a coder, and then your salary starts from 15k to 20,000. Yeah, 20k. Now, how is the growth in terms of salary? It all also depends on the organization growth, organization goal, and also what is your qualification. Because whenever the company gives promotion to any person, definitely if a person is having some higher qualification with them, especially for doctors, they get promotion faster. Similarly, their salary also increase faster. Yeah. So growing forward in this field entirely depends on your performance, not solely on your education, also your performance. Your graduation, your education, what qualification you have, that also help you in getting growth inside this industry. Yeah. Now, a little bit I will talk about what is the scope in Gulf countries. Why I am taking this topic, Gulf countries, because there are many Indians who are in Gulf countries, especially if I talk about life science graduates, medicos, healthcare professionals. They don't have any idea where they can start, but yes, they can start into medical coding. But first thing is, if you want to start in Gulf countries, definitely no company entertain coders without Gulf experience. Means if you are simply going from any country to Gulf and you are looking for medical coding job, then definitely it's next to impossible to get a job directly, because they need coders with experience in Gulf countries, like Gulf experience is required. Yeah. Now only UAE is the option. UAE is the option where coders get coding jobs in Gulf countries also, because in UAE they use American coding system. Okay. As American coding system, majority of the people learning American coding system, considering that you may get job into UAE. Yeah. And your salary could range between, if you get inside UAE, your salary could range between 2,000 to 4,000 AED. Okay. People who don't have UAE experience, but if you have UAE experience, then definitely it will be more. Yeah. So if I talk about the yearly increment, if you talk about coding job in UAE, there is no yearly increment. Let's say if you are from India and you are doing medical coding job in UAE, then they will hire you in a contract basis, and it will be like 1 year, 2 year, and then they will renew your contract. So in that contract period, your salary will not increase. It's a full contract for 2 years or 1 year, whatever it is as per company norms. Yeah. And you can't breach this contract in between also. Yeah. If you are signing any contract, you can't breach the contract. If you are breaching it, then you have to pay 2 months salary to the company. That happens everywhere whenever you are doing any contractual thing. Yeah. Salary will increase if coder changes their job. Let's say you join somewhere in UAE, then you change to some other coding company, then definitely your salary will increase. Now, Saudi Arabia and Qatar, as they use Australian coding system, which we already discussed in medical coding part 2 video. Saudi and Qatar using Australian coding system. That's why they don't select any Indian coders, because Indian coders, they are certified from American coding system. Okay. But some coders, they do take risk and apply for the jobs in Saudi and Qatar after getting the Australian coding certificate. And again, that Australian coding certificate will cost you approximately 2 lakh INR. Okay. So this was about the scope in Gulf countries. So in this video, I covered hierarchy, professional growth, financial growth, salary wise, how much will be the increment, everything we have discussed, covered in this video. With this, I hope you like this video. Now, before concluding it, let me tell you one thing that, see, medical coding, what I would suggest personally, if you are from a life science graduate stream, okay, then you can go into medical coding. It's a good field for you. But if you are a healthcare professional, if you ask me personally that if medical coding is good or pharmaceutical is good, then hierarchy wise, money wise, everything, what I would suggest you to come into pharmaceutical industry. Because especially for healthcare professionals, if you have to make best use of your degree, along with if you want to grow definitely both financially and professionally, then definitely pharmaceutical industry has more growth. And also because of the global presence of pharmaceutical industry as compared to medical coding, inside pharmaceutical industry, you are like eligible for all the places in this universe, in this world. Okay, because everywhere pharmaceutical industry is there, and also as it's a global industry, definitely good chances are there in pharmaceutical industry for both growth financially and professionally. Yes. So with this, guys, I'm going to conclude this video, and this concludes the medical coding part 3. And till now, we have shared each and every information about medical coding. If still you have any queries, you can ask your queries in the comment box. You can raise your query and we will be more than happy to answer your query. And with this medical coding series is over. And if you really like this, if you feel that this was really informative, you got new insights about medical coding, then please guys, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to share our channel with your friends, and please hit a like button if you really like this video. If you like this and you feel that this is informative, authentic video, then please subscribe to it. And we'll be coming soon with some fresh next video. Till the time I come again, till that time, please stay safe, healthy, aware, and updated. And one request, guys, please keep exploring new things, because in today's technology-driven world, there are so many things to explore, and gone are those days when you just follow the rat race, when you just follow the conventional path. Yeah. If you really want to explore, then first suggestion is just go to one conventional path, and the path which no one has taken. Definitely you will find something new. Yeah, with this, going to conclude it. Thank you for watching. Thank you once again. Bye everyone.